Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to look at replacing the manual transmission oil of a 2013 Chevy Spark. So it's on the front left side, driver's side. The wheel's already off and the car is jacked up safely and secured. First, I'll show you the drain plug. It's right here. It's a 3/8 inch drive, four-sided socket. So it's literally just a 3/8 inch drive of your socket wrench. And then that's, let's say at 12 o'clock, the input is a little harder to see, but you can get to it. It's about at 1 o'clock. On the same structure. It's a little, yeah, there it is. Just to the right of the CV boot. So that's like, let's say 1 o'clock, and it's the same thing. 3/8 inch drive socket. Drain and fill. And I already broke them free with a breaker bar. I think it's 18 foot-pounds, so not too much. And manual says you should replace them, but I'll try to reuse them. And the big auto parts store where I went said they cannot get that part, so it's probably a Chevy specific part. The drain plug, it is just over, what is it? Just over it's 2.2 quarts, I believe. So it should be fine to fill this thing here. Try not to get it in my hand dirty. Oh, pretty good. Wow, it doesn't look that dirty actually. Smells. Magnetic plug with some gunk metal shavings on the plug. Well, actually, it smells dirty, but I'm actually impressed it's not that dirty. Okay. I'll set this aside. Wow. Okay, pals and gals. So now I'm trying to get to the input hole, but I got the other one draining, so I'm trying not to get oil on myself. Once again, just a 3/8 socket. And this oil actually looks not horrible, but it has 135,000 miles on it. But it's a manual transmission, so it's not combustion oil, but still. And it says lifetime, but old mechanics say, are you crazy? There's no such thing as lifetime oil. So even though the manual says lifetime. Hey guys, so this might look a little silly, but I'm trying to get to that socket without having to go through the engine bay and removing lots of stuff. And I was just able to do it because I was under there and I had that plug still draining, so I didn't want to get rain on me. But I have like this 18-inch extension, so it actually lets me undo that socket. Okay. In fact, it might even be hand tight now, so let's try that. Let's see. Hey, what's up, guys? There is the input, oil input, and there's the drain. So I use that long extension just to loosen it. So it's pretty much finger tight right now. So I'm just gonna get in there. Try not to get too dirty. Okay, see, there it is. That's the input. 3/8 inch drive. It looks like it has some blue Loctite on there. And it looks like both of them are magnetic because both have metal shavings on it. Good deal. Okay. Here's the two plugs. You can see, you can probably tell which is the drain, or the drain plug. And there's a solid amount of metal shavings on there. So it's really good that is magnetic. Look at that. I might even just spray these down, and there's like a little depression in there. It looks like it grips more metal pieces. So this is after 135,000 miles. So it's pretty gunky. But I'm happy I did it. It's a good learning experience. I just want to clean these plugs a little bit. And I'm just using simple old gasoline. A lot of the old school mechanics just say, just use gasoline instead of a fancy degreaser. But yeah, look, I did get a lot of gunk out of there. And a lot of this is metal shaving, so it kind of likes to stay in there. But it definitely looks a whole lot better. And you can tell which is the bottom and which is the top, right? Just by how dirty they are. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Gasoline made a big difference getting the gunk out of there. Hey guys, I just want to show you, these are the nicely cleaned drain plugs. It looks like it has some blue thread lock on there, so I got my thread lock. And I want to show you the oil as well. 135,000 miles. Kind of gunky, but I'm pretty happy to be doing it. Hey guys, I am putting the thread lock on this plug. Oops. Nice and clean. First I'll get it in there finger tight. There we go. 18 foot-pounds. There we go. And remember, it's to keep you from going too much. Okay, just to show you, I'm just using a standard oil pump. I'm trying to snake it up here into the input hole and try not to get my face covered with oil. Okay, and you pretty much just fill it right up till it's level with the input hole. And I think it's about 2.2 quarts once you do the conversion. But as long as you get it level with the input hole, you should be okay. Hey guys, I got the oil in about 2.2 quarts with the little handy dandy pump. It's like a 75W 85 oil, gear oil. And so now I'm putting in the fill plug, and I got it filled up just to where it started seeping. So that's when you know the oil level's right at the fill plug. So I'm just doing it hand tight for now, and then I'll come around to the other side so I can torque it. Okay, messy. Hey guys, I'm here again with my comically long extension. But this is how you can get to that plug without taking out parts from the engine bay. So I set it to about 10 pounds right now, just to get it started. Let me get a little better angle. Okay. Okay, just to make sure. Okay. Should be 18 pounds. And that's it. So drained it, added new oil, torqued both plugs, Loctite, torqued it, and got to get the wheel on and then go for a test ride.